I don't know what you did, but it was extremely powerful. You've been through a initiation, dark night of the soul. These last few months was extremely difficult for you. I'm hearing that you went through a unplug from the matrix, unbuilding everything you thought was the truth, and it takes a lot of courage. You might be isolated at this time, or you have been isolated. It's over now, and I'm here on your life today to tell you that you've done it. You are at the end of the tunnel, and there is so much light just because you're so courageous. You're such a beautiful, bright soul. You've been doing the work, the inner work. I'm hearing that you've been separated out of toxic people, toxic family. It took you a lot, basically, to be here today watching this video. And I know what you've been through, believe me. I am sent by the divine into your healing path, healing journey, to share my gift with you. And it took me a long time to take over my power back, to remember who I am, to remember my gift, talent, and ability. I've done through it. I've done through the process of initiation, remembering my true powers. And I am here today to share my gifts with you. May this video find your heart, your pure heart. May this light that you're going to receive blessing you for eternity. I am going to send you, to surround you with the rainbow diamond light. And it's going to help you transmute your traumas, your fears, your wounds, your deepest wounds. The ones that are very trapped into your DNA structure. The ones that are keeping you stuck into repetitive patterns. Archangel Michael, Archangel Metatron, Saint Alphonse, Archangel Uriel, Archangel of the Violet Flame, Dragons of the Violet Flame, Archangels of the Great Central Sun and the Diamond Light. God, Goddess, all that is, I'm going to surround you. Waraki andara wesera ende yara wa kantara wa eso wa nananate ya kioro wa nara yasa. Ay agarayon zara wa sera ki andara wa tere ion do wa nara iya katra amesion na wa iata. Ah gurumo serei gara boro wanare yatsi dara magadara serei sara. Take a deep breath in, please. Keria su, Andrea su, Andrea su, Andrea su. Agedi yotoru undara siria zaramana no wara iara wakatra emere yotoru wa. Egia zarama yatsere ya koroma Andrea sing Andrea Andrea sen Andrea sa washing away. Keria Maria way Andrea so watra ibakesiri monero yo wa. Atikitiri kuma zarawatri kidiri mosuno no watsere Sarawaya Asarayamayo Wara wiga zukumoze yarame yarawe yanao ayai narayasa Wakatutu uma wakatutu uma wakatutu kuma wakatutu kuma Arakira under way, yes, so no, where, yara, 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 yara. Ogoro yamanere yo show maya. Anoa, dias, kutumba, that I yes in there, ma, oma, 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 oma. Oma, 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 oma. Adria kotoro umate kia mai, so mai, so mai. May your mind be protected with this rainbow golden light, rainbow diamond light. Karayoto muasa. Muasa, 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 karayo, toro, ma, araya, saraya, naraya, saraya, naraya, Aya, karayo, mo, ye, neya, so, ya, naya, so. When they, ya, nasa. Nereya koyo so mayereya so Neya seya konarayo sei Wananarayo so Wananarayo so Waka naraya 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 Iketere kuma asareki ataru kuma didi andre yo susukuma atra iya katra kimi kisiketere wa asakitire ama sere yo wa andara wa atra iya katra kimi kisiketere ki asandara yasara. I am hearing that I am doing some depollution of your mind. Girio tutukundo breaking some old patterns. Neuropath that has keeping you stuck for so long. Di atara uwa anara iya atara uku tutu uma ara itiki iwara iwonderu wa ndiri yashuma na ara yotuku uma giri yashuma ta ya rio kutun tutu uwa ndari yazowa ni yatrawasa Arayasa washing away tiki asra wasyo wasa oh goromio toro wa asra iakatra ambarayasa for you to be able to use your mind, not manifesting from a wounded perspective, but from your true powers. If you want to dig deeper, you can check my website. I am so dedicated to my mission, helping you, taking your power back. I have some codes, download and activation for you, as well as a masterclass that is going to help you to move forward. Unstuck you, I'm hearing, cutting with everything that is not love, light, and truth into your path. I offer quantum healing, cellular regeneration, I love you so much. Keep shining your light. It's over. It's done. It's time for you to take your position back, your power back, your lead back. Until next time, namaste.